In this tutorial, we will show you how to use the Overlay Outline tool. First, seek to the spot on the timeline where you want your overlay outline to appear. Click Tools, select Overlay, and then the Outline option, or you can press the O key and then the O key again. You can drag and resize the overlay to position it over your video. You can also fine-tune the position by holding down the Control key on Windows or Command key on Mac, then using the arrow keys to nudge the outline around the video. You can modify style properties by using this Style button. Here you can choose the shape, color, thickness, and if you want a shadow around the outline. You can reuse style settings by clicking this button, which will show previous styles you used, so you can easily switch back to a particular style combination. By default, the overlay will have a transition to fade in and out. You can edit the transition by clicking on these buttons. You have the option to fade, pop, or have no transition. Finally, you can choose to make the outline semi-transparent by editing the opacity. Choose the section of the video your overlay appears by dragging these bars over the timeline to select the start and end point. You can also animate the overlay so it changes over time, which is useful if it is to move around on the screen. We cover animation in another tutorial. Once you're finished with Overlay Outline and ready to see it in action, you can preview it by clicking the Preview button here. Once you're ready to commit, press the OK button or the Enter key. After the overlay outline is added to your video, a colored span will show on your timeline to indicate the placement of this overlay. You can edit the overlay by clicking on this spot on the timeline. Click this icon and you will be brought back to the overlay controls. Or you can remove the overlay by clicking this icon.